Challenge time. 3 quick questions for you. What sound does a cow commonly make? A. Meow. B. Ba. C. Moo. D. Neigh. E. Quack. Correct answer is C. Moo. Which insect has colorful wings and often feeds on flower nectar? A. Ant. B. Butterfly. C. Beetle. D. Fly. E. Mosquito. Correct answer is B. Butterfly. Which animal is known for sharp quills used for defense? A. Skunk. B. Porcupine. C. Beaver. D. Badger. E. Otter. Correct answer is B. Porcupine. Now it's time to see how well you did. How many questions did you get right? Tell us in the comments. Share and challenge your friends to see who gets the most right. Don't forget to follow us and see you in the next challenge.